Hi traders, welcome to Monetize. It's time to record the new weekly forecast video for the week starting on March 6th. So let's start from the dollar index. So here we have the chart for dollar index and let's start from the weekly time frame. Here I'm going to clear the previous markings from the chart, and based on the weekly time chart, I've marked here the rising diagonal channel. DXY reached the diagonal resistance level and the horizontal resistance level and then started rolling down. At present, it found support at the midline of the rising channel. So here is the midline of the rising channel. Also, it's a horizontal support level. So confluence of support giving bounce to DXY. And the level is around 102. Now let's move to daily time frame. As per daily time frame, moving to line chart, we got bullish divergence, lower low formation, and equal bottom on RSI, which means bullish divergence. Due to bullish divergence, we got the bounce up. Now right now, we have bullish divergence. This is the highest level, so this becomes our BOS. So BOS is not clearly broken and DXY is rolling downwards from the resistance level. If you want to check the level, it's at 105.28 or 105.30. Moving to 4H. As per 4H, we can find some weakness on the charts. So here it could not break above the resistance, the BS level, which is around 105.57. On the higher time frame, the number was coming around 105.3, and we can also find equal highs of RSI, whereas higher high pattern on the chart, so bearish divergence. So there is a very high probability in the short run dollar index can come to retest the previous support around 103.19. So only for the short term I can see that dollar index could come back for the retest, and then we'll decide as per the price action from the level of 103.20. Currently it's under correction. Even if we mark fib starting from the recent swing low to the recent high, we can find that Fibonacci 50% level is again coinciding with 103.20, so which is again a crucial support number. So in the short run, I can say the dollar is coming down, maybe for the correction. Here we have massive support zone and it can bounce back. If it fails, then we'll decide the next course of action. So right now it's under pullback. So that's it for dollar index. Even on the 1 hourly time frame, you'll find that dollar is showing signs of weakness. Here we have to check the recent rising trend line. So based on the current price behavior, it has not yet broken this rising trend line, so please pay attention. I think once it breaks below this rising trend line or retest of the trend line, and then we can expect it coming back to the 50% area. That's around 103.20. Okay, now the next instrument we are going to analyze is New Zealand CAD. Let's start from the weekly time frame, and here based on the weekly time frame. 1 second, I need to clear my drawings from the chart. So lower low pattern on the weekly time frame with higher low on RSI, bullish divergence, and this was the BOS level. So let's mark it. Let's mark the BOS based on weekly. Crucial area of resistance, and let's also mark Fib from the swing low to the recent high. So it has not yet reached the BOS level or the 50% mark, the retracement level, which is almost at the same level. So it's a confluence of support. Let's move down to daily now. So based on daily, we can see that it's gradually moving lower. So here I'll do one thing. I'll mark a parallel channel. So right now it's exactly at the mid level of this falling parallel channel. So it's finding resistance here. Based on candles, you can see we have a bearish rejection at the midline or the horizontal level of resistance. Based on 4 hourly, we have bullish divergence, lower low formation and equal bottom on RSI, a wider divergence, and it has also given a breakout structure, the bullish breakout structure. So let's mark 4H bullish BOS. Let's mark Fib retracement from the low to high. So you can expect a pullback towards 50 to 61, which is also a confluence of support here, or maybe a bit deeper between 61 to 78, and then we can expect the completion of this wave until the top of the falling channel. So in the short run, New Zealand CAD looks bullish, at least until it reaches the top of the falling channel. So based on the levels, we can say that we can target around 0.8611 or 8610. Right now it's at 84.54 and 0.8454, and we can look at the price to get in around 0.8412. So if we get in around 61 with the stop loss at 100% level, we can easily target 3 times reward. So this is the plan for New Zealand CAD. The next instrument I'll be talking about is gold. So here I've marked the horizontal levels on my chart, and we'll be using the same levels. So we have the horizontal lines, and currently okay, so let's understand from the beginning. So here is the lower low formation with almost equal low on RSI. So it was bullish divergence. This was the BOS level breakout structure. So as per the rule, we should mark Fib retracement from the swing low to the high, and we got a retracement exactly towards Fibonacci 50%, which is also a major support level. That's around 1809 or 1808. And in the last week, gold has risen from the same level. Moving to daily, see, so this is the bounce. RSI reached oversold and it was a major area of support, and gold has started rising up. So currently, as dollar is getting weaker, at least on the lower time frames like 4 hourly and 1 hourly, so it is giving a good opportunity for the gold buyers. And if we mark the 5-leg structure here, so this is the first push up, second wave down, third wave up, fourth down, so we can also have a fifth wave in the making. The immediate next level is around 1873. So if gold remains above 1830-34, we can say that 1873 is most likely the target in the coming week. Based on 4 hourly, there are no signs of slowdown, so gold remains bullish. So first level of support is 1830-31 or 1834. So 1830 to 34 is the support zone. So until it remains above this area, that's 1830, any pullback should be taken as an opportunity here to buy for the next target 1873. So this is the plan for gold in the upcoming week. The next instrument I would like to analyze is NASDAQ. So starting from the weekly time frame, based on the bullish divergence, this is the BUS level on the weekly time frame. So even if it reaches the BUS mark, so it should reach around 13,646 or 13,650 in round number. Moving to daily. On daily, the BUS level is here. Let's mark it with the help of a horizontal line. Let's mark the fib retracement from the swing low to the swing high. So it has not yet reached the 50% mark, so I have actually removed the 38% retracement level from the fib tool, but it seems that it is bouncing and bouncing strongly from the 38% levels. And here on the lower time frame, let's move to 4 hourly. It has formed bullish divergence, a clear break above the BUS level. So in the upcoming week, if you get a pullback, you can apply fib from the bottom until the new high, which would be formed in the upcoming week. Any pullback should be taken as an opportunity, and we should target the first level around 12,750, and the next level should be 13,000 followed by 13,650. So NASDAQ remains bullish, and as we can see, some bearishness or some weakness in the US dollar. So it is a bullish case for commodities and indices. So this is the plan for the upcoming week. I hope I've explained all the setups well. If you have any doubts, you can get back to me.